Okay, today's bell work, it says find the measure of AN. Find the measure of AN. So that is this line right here. What I'm going to do is color code the corresponding parts, and I'm going to set up a proportion and then solve. So I'm going to write down my steps. I'm going to color code. Then I'm going to make the proportion. Then I'm going to cross multiply. And then last I would divide to find out the length of that line that I just made green. Okay, to know what parts match up, because these two shapes are not going in the exact same direction, I'm going to use the letters in the names because it says these two triangles are similar. So I can stack my letters together. ANF, first, second, third, goes with KGS, first, second, third. And now I know that AN matches up with KG. So I can color code that in the second triangle, the miniature version. These two that I know, I'll put an X over here because that's what we're trying to find. I can start now trying to set up my proportion, or I can finish color coding, which is fine. The other number I know in the miniature version is 48, and it's from K to S. So that's my first and last letter. The first and last letter in the larger triangle is A to F. So that also needs to be pink for me. So now I've done step 1. I have color coded my shapes. Now step 2 says make your proportion. So I would put the two green amounts side by side. X is similar to 18 because they're in the same position. Then starting back from the triangle where the X was, 104 is in the same position as 48. So I would put 104 underneath X and 48 underneath 18. So now step 2 is done. I made my proportion. Step 3 says cross multiply. I'm going to multiply 104 times 18. Just so this video is not super long, I'm going to multiply 104 times 18 on my calculator. That is 1,872. So now I can check off step 3. Step 4 says divide, and I divide by the number I didn't use yet, which was 48. 48 divided into 1,872. I'm also going to do that on my calculator so it goes faster on this video. It's 39. So my missing measurement, the line segment that I needed to find, A to N, is 39 centimeters.